Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today, we will talk about a topic many people know well, school life and university life.
That's right. Many of you are students now, or you were students in the past. Maybe you study in high school, maybe in university, maybe you want to study in the future.
School life is full of experiences. Classes, teachers, friends, exams, homework, activities.
And university life is a little different. More freedom, more responsibility, and sometimes more fun.
Today, let's talk about both. And of course, we will explain vocabulary, give examples, and practice together.
Okay, let's start with some important vocabulary.
Good idea. The first word is classroom. A classroom is the room where students learn with a teacher.
Repeat after me, listeners. Classroom.
Very good. The next word is teacher.
A teacher is the person who helps students learn. Repeat after me. Teacher.
Excellent. Another word is student. That is you, the learner. Repeat, student.
Great. Now another important word. Homework. Homework is schoolwork you do at home. Repeat, homework.
Perfect. And one more, exam. An exam is a test. Repeat, exam.
Excellent job.
Let's practice with a small conversation. I am a student, and you are my teacher, Ben.
Okay.
Hello, teacher. Do we have homework today?
Yes, Emma. Please read pages 10 to 12.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
See, that's a very simple example of classroom talk.
Now let's move to university life. A common word is lecture.
Yes, a lecture is a big class, usually with many students. The teacher, called a professor, talks for 1 or 2 hours.
Repeat after me. Lecture.
Another word is professor. In university, the teacher is often called professor. Repeat, professor.
Great. Another useful word is dormitory or dorm. That is a building where students live at the university.
Repeat after me. Dorm.
Perfect. And another one, library. That is a place where you can read books and study quietly.
Repeat, library.
Excellent.
Let's make an example conversation. About university.
Okay.
Excuse me, where is the library?
The library is next to the science building.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, that's very simple and useful.
Now, let's move on to Emma. What do you remember about your school life?
I remember homework. I always had a lot of homework.
Me too. I remember exams. They were sometimes difficult.
Did you have a favorite subject?
Yes, my favorite subject was history. I liked learning about the past.
Nice. My favorite subject was English, of course.
Listeners, what about you? What was your favorite subject? Think about it and say it out loud.
Maybe you say, my favorite subject is math, or my favorite subject is music.
Let's practice some useful sentences for school. Repeat after me. I have homework.
I have an exam tomorrow.
My favorite subject is English.
I am a student.
Excellent. Now let's talk about university life again. At university, students often join clubs.
Yes, clubs are groups for sports, music, drama, or hobbies.
Repeat after me. Club.
Good. Another word is cafeteria. This is the place where students eat meals at school or university.
Repeat cafeteria.
Excellent. Let's make a conversation. Where is the cafeteria?
It is downstairs next to the library.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, that's very useful if you are in a new school or university.
Now let's give listeners some practice. Friends, repeat after us. I live in a dorm.
I study in the library.
I eat in the cafeteria.
I go to class.
Perfect.
Now let's talk quickly about differences. School is usually more strict. Teachers give homework every day.
University has more freedom. Professors don't check homework every day, but you must study by yourself.
Yes, so you need responsibility. That means you must take care of your own time.
Repeat after me. Responsibility.
Good.
Okay, let's review the vocabulary today. Classroom, teacher, student, homework, exam. Lecture, professor, dorm, library, club, cafeteria, roommate. Sentences: I have homework. I have an exam tomorrow. I study in the library.
Very good.
Friends, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, we hope you learned new words and enjoyed talking about school and university life.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.
That way, you will get more lessons and more practice every week.
Remember, learning English is like school life. You need small steps every day.
And don't forget to have fun.
See you next time, friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.